In this video, we're gonna see top 5 secret spy gadgets that actually you can buy. The first on the list is the Spy Finder. Is there actually a device that detects hidden cameras? A lot of news has reported that people keep finding hidden cameras in their rental homes or some random hotels. Are you concerned about privacy when renting a hotel room, Airbnb, or an apartment? Professional RF signal detectors or other hidden camera bug detectors are quite effective to find locate hidden security cameras. But this device, the Spy Finder Pro Hidden Camera Detector, is simple to use, yet extremely effective at finding hidden cameras. The Spy Finder Hidden Camera Detector is designed for an optimum performance over a range of 3 to 45 feet. Use the adjustable light controller to adjust for distance. The Spy Finder is intended for indoor use. While outdoor use is possible, the performance will be downgraded depending on the ambient lighting conditions of the outdoor environment. What can a Spy Finder Pro do for you? It can easily find hidden cameras, find wireless and wired cameras, find working and non-working cameras, and a peace of mind that's more costly than this device. The next one on the list is North Smart Glasses. The Canadian smart glasses maker you have never heard of was acquired by a Google's parent, Alphabet. The acquisition of the Waterloo, Ontario-based startup company, the North could help Google speed up the development of smart glasses for the mainstream market. Google was among the first tech companies to explore the smart glasses space with its inflated Google Glass, but has since shifted its focus to the enterprise market, with Google having nothing to offer in the customer smart glasses space. Right now, there is where the acquisition of North makes sense. Focal Smart Glasses and its services are discontinued and is unavailable since July 31st, 2020. People can't be able to connect their glasses through the app or use any features, abilities, or experiments from their glasses. The company behind the glasses, North, has discontinued Focals in order to focus on the next generation version to be released next year. According to The Verge, the North didn't have the greatest launch for Focals and was forced to lay off 150 employees to have enough money to continue developing the smart glasses. Apple and Facebook are two other Silicon Valley heavyweights that are also rumored to be working on augmented reality smart glasses. The next one on the list is Thermal Camera. This budget thermal imager is also good for multi-purpose casual use in your daily life. For example, you can use it to explore the neighborhood, detect suspicious behavior or objects in dark scenes around your house, and much more. Imagine this situation: if you find something suspicious sound around your house in the middle of the night, you don't need to switch on the lights, you can just see easily using this device in your naked eyes. Manufactured with optic cables of thermal imaging, this lightweight tracker alerts you on the details you need to know while hunting mission. Running on the commonly used CR123 battery, you can continuously use this tracker for a longer time, up to 10 hours. Should you be inactive in using it for about 15 minutes? It is made to automatically power off, saving you the stress of remembering to switch it off while on a hunt to avoid depleting the battery. It is reliable and easy to use this affordable thermal imaging monocular. It has optimized target detection features, really has its own unique value propositions that sets it apart from high-end thermal images that cost several $1,000s. Scout TK, the thermal monocular, on the other hand, has a lens cap and a flip proprietary digital detail enhancement for image processing. It is also rated IP67 and a submersible. And if you consider built-in video recording function as a mandatory requirement, then Scout TK is apparently the thermal imager you should consider, as LTO does not have this feature. The next one on the list is the Snooper Scope. Snooper Scope is a special wireless invention that works by using your mobile device as a screen and the infrared light as a source. It enables you to see in the low light conditions and in total darkness. Plus, under visible light, it reveals the hidden things that normally cannot be seen by the human eye. By employing special optics, the user can see in the area covered by the light even though the naked eye only detects a total darkness. A number of more applications have been developed with the Snooper Scope because of its ability to peer through any opaque material infrared rays can pass through. Snooper Scope is perfect for professional and personal applications like the night vision, to see in dark places, to see through objects like liquids, inks, and textiles, to see dust and motes in environments, for 101 experimental use and for fun. The device enables a user to see in objects in the dark by illuminating the object with infrared radiation and converting the reflected radiation into a visual image. The resulting scene, which is apparently dark to a human observer, appears as a visible image to the Snooper Scope, and this image and video are sent wirelessly to your smartphone or a tablet. The next gadget on the list is the Hushmi cases. Very often we come across a situation when we need to answer or make an important call, but there is no way we can do this, mainly because of several reasons. First of all, we don't want to bother people around. Second, we don't want them to eavesdrop on our conversation. Now there is a solution to avoid such inconvenience. Hushmi, personal acoustic device that will help you to protect your speech privacy and reduce noise pollution when speaking on the phone in open space environments. Apart from the normal headset mode, Hushmi has a passive voice muffling mode. In this normal headset mode, Hushmi connects the smartphone via Bluetooth and you can use it as a hands-free headset while speaking on the phone or listening to the music. In the passive voice muffling mode, Hushmi is locked over the mouth. This mode is provided by innovative insulation materials that are embedded inside the mask and by the mouthpiece made of a hypoallergenic material. Therefore, people at a distance of 3 feet cannot discern your voice, while a person at the other hand can hear your voice well and undistorted, thanks to the sensitive built-in microphone. The mouthpiece is replaceable, so you can remove it in order to clean or to replace with a new one. The size adjusting mechanism allows to set up the right size of the mask so it could fit in any face. That's all for this video. Consider hitting the subscribe button for more such videos.